Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Nest model and that it's charged. This matters because buttons and menus differ between models. Once charged, make sure you have the Google account email and Wi-Fi password. These are needed to re-add the device. Next, backup or note important settings and routines so you can restore them. Otherwise, you'll need to recreate automations. Now, locate the factory reset button or menu option and prepare to engage the reset procedure. You perform the reset by using the correct method for your model. The physical button sequence on Nest thermostats or cameras, or the factory reset option inside the Nest app for some devices. Hold the button for the specified time, usually 10 to 20 seconds, until you see a LED change, hear a chime, or the screen confirms the action. That tells you the device is wiping settings. Make sure the device completes the power cycle and reaches its initial boot screen before continuing. You finish by re-adding the Nest to Google Home with your Google account. This restores control and cloud features. Once added, update firmware, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and restore or recreate routines so everything behaves as before. If the device won't reconnect or behaves oddly, first power cycle it and retry the reset. If that fails, attempt the reset procedure again or contact Google support for a deep factory reset option. One key tip: ensure your phone's Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.